Rounding off of numbers to the nearest 1000. Examples. Round the following numbers to the nearest 1000. The first number is 74,245. Let's apply unit from the back. We have tens, we have 100, and we have here 1000. Now, where do we have TH? TH is on top of what? 4. And what is the number after 4? The number after 4 is just 2. And 2 is not up to 5. So in this case, 4 will remain the same. And other position, they will turn to 0. So this will be equals to 74,000 to the nearest 1000. Now the second question, 68,786. We apply units, then tens, 100, and 1000. Now where do we have TH? Is on top of 8. And what is the number immediately after 8? Which is what? 7. And 7 is even more than 5. So we take 1 from 7 and add it to 8. We have what? 9. So here we are going to have 6, 9. And the position of 7, 8, 6 returns to what? 0. So it means that 69,000 is equals to 68,786. That is when you approximate 68,786 to the nearest 1000, we have 69,000. Now we have 99,500. We use unit, then tens, 100, and 1000. Now what do we have here? We have 9 under TH. And at the back of 9, what are we having? We have 5. Then we are going to take 1 from this 5 and add it to 9. So what are we having? We have 10. 9 plus 1, we have 10. Then we write 0 and carry 1 and put it on top of the next 9 before the 9. So what are we having? 1 plus 9, we have what? 10. Don't forget the position here returns to 0. So this is equals to 100,000 to the nearest 1,000. That is the solution to the problem. Thank you.